Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, or if you're new here, welcome. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. As always, if you need links to get to the jobs, Glassdoor pages, or timestamps for the video, that can all be found in the YouTube description box below the video. In today's video, we have some non-phone jobs. We have a part-time data entry and a full-time data entry, data type job. We have a full-time job that is paying $20 an hour for you just to answer and respond to emails. So yes, completely non-phone. And then I even threw in an HR and a regular phone, a customer service job for you. So hopefully I have a mixed bag, a little bit of a something for everyone. But first up, we have the company HubSpot. Now, HubSpot has 3,800 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote customer support specialist. Now, this is remote work from home for the United States only. All the jobs that I'm sharing are going to be for the United States. That's where my expertise lies, is the United States job market. And this is going to be customer service that requires a phone. They are looking for somebody to partner with their customers through all of their different mediums, including chat, email, and phone, using tools to help troubleshoot and communicate with the customer. So you're going to troubleshoot any tech issues that they're having with HubSpot, trying to help them solve any roadblocks and making sure that the company still has customer growth. So you've got to be patient with the customer and be flexible as the customer needs evolve and ticket volume changes evolve. Sometimes you might have higher volumes of work and then lower volumes of work. You are going to have a knowledge database that's going to help you diagnose any software issues, but you'll also have access to talk and engage with product engineering and customer success teams on more complex product issues that you cannot help the customer with. You'll get those other teams involved to make sure that the customer's issues get resolved, just trying to identify any opportunities for existing customers to upgrade their tools. So you're also kind of trying to upsell them at the same time. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree for this position, but they are looking for somebody who is comfortable learning, troubleshooting, and kind of taking a research and investigation approach. Someone who maybe doesn't know exactly how to solve the problem, but will look for and try to fix the problem. You don't mind kind of digging deep and doing research. They do want somebody who's at least interested in technical knowledge. You don't have to have the technical knowledge, but if you're interested in learning more things about HTML, CSS, APIs, things like that, they do want somebody who's motivated, wants to really help the customer, somebody who has solid communication skills and solid time management skills. Pays anywhere from $40,000 a year up to $60,000 a year. Now, moving on along, next up we have the concert and live entertainment platform Live Nation hiring. They have 2,400 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They're looking for an HR generalist for their Live Nation concerts division. Now, one thing I do want to point out, it says work from home, California. First of all, yay for my California people, because a lot of jobs are excluding y'all. It looks like Live Nation does hire in California. Outside of that, I don't work for any of these companies. They don't state that they have any state restrictions, so I'm assuming they're hiring throughout the United States, but just know I'll only have the information that is posted in the job description. But Live Nation is looking for somebody to help with the administration of their human resources functions. This means you're going to be responsible for all of the employee relations activities, like helping coaching, counseling, and managing the employees if they have employee issues or conflicts or complaints. Most people, when they have a complaint, they go to HR. So you're going to be basically opening a case for them, taking down that complaint, and then investigating those complaints. You might have to reach out and talk to people, gather different information, find out really what happened, get to the bottom of things, and prepare your findings coming up with a resolution for review by the directors and managers. So you're going to give your feedback about what should happen next. You're going to make sure that all the corporate policies and procedures are being followed, and you're also going to help with that onboarding and training of those new employees, maybe getting them set up in the system, getting them signed up for their benefits. So this is going to require some data entry through their HR system, which they use a Workday for. Now, they are looking for somebody who has a bachelor degree in human resources, but it does say they'll take related experience. You do have to have 3 to 4 years of human resources experience, be able to deal with complex issues, be very detail-oriented, understand all of the HR kind of best practices, how to deal with people like employment laws. And of course, you've got to have great communication skills and be able to work your way around a computer using like those Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, different software systems. Pay is listed all the way down at the bottom. It's anywhere from $61,000 a year up to $77,000 a year. Now, please note $61,000 a year is $29 an hour. Now, if you're looking for something that's completely non-phone, just answering emails, we have NerdWallet hiring. NerdWallet has 242 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. And let me know down in the comments below. I have the NerdWallet. It's like a financial app where you can like check your credit score and different things like that. I have it downloaded on my phone. I used it a long time ago and haven't used it recently. Is anybody else, do you use the NerdWallet app? Do you not? Let me know. But NerdWallet is looking for a full-time contractor, so this is going to be a 1099 position, and it is only going to be 6 months. I believe it's like January to June or January to July, something like that. But they are looking for a member support specialist. And as a member support specialist, you're going to ensure that the member or customer has an excellent experience on nerdwallet.com's website and with the NerdWallet mobile app. So you're really going to help members with free account features as well as paid subscription issues, credit score questions, product recommendations, and it says across all support channels. Now, please note this is from the NerdWallet's own website. Their support channels is email only or like in-app email, like, you know, where you can go click the contact us in the app and it'll be a little form you fill out, but then it comes to NerdWallet through email. On their FAQs, it says, connect with us. Does NerdWallet have a phone number? They do not provide a phone number for customer support at this time. It's through email only, so you are only going to be answering emails. This was updated August 28th of 2024, so not that long ago. So this is the most relevant information. So please note this customer support job is completely email only. But they are going to give you tools that you can help utilize to help the members with different features of NerdWallet. So you're just helping them with the technical issues, product issues, account issues, credit score questions, just all kinds of financial things. They don't have any state restrictions. This is completely remote throughout the United States. They are looking for somebody who has a previous technical customer support knowledge or experience, somebody who's familiar with using like online tools like Zendesk or Google Suite, Salesforce, things like that. Of course, you've got to have great communication skills, great reading skills. And they prefer somebody who has like fintech or financial experience. Not required though, as long as you are enthusiastic and nerding out about credits and budgeting and all things financial. No college degree is needed. Pay for this position is $20.64 an hour. And please note it is January through June. If you're looking for part-time data entry type work, the company Quality Counts is hiring. Please note Quality Counts only has 26 reviews on Glassdoor, which is not a whole lot, so do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. They have a 3.5 out of 5 star rating though. They are looking for an internal operations specialist for their transportation data. Now, please note this is part-time, remote for the United States, pays $17 an hour. They're looking for somebody to work about 30 hours a week with occasional weekend hours to just do some data entry and data collection for their transportation data. You're going to process this data, making sure there's no errors, making sure it's converted to the right format in the system, doing all those quality control data checks, just verifying that everything is accurate and error-free. It does say they offer virtual training. They have a flexible scheduling, and this is, again, fully remote. But they're looking for somebody who can kind of meet deadlines. You do have to have your own computer for this one. You have to know how to use like Microsoft Office, Excel. They're looking for somebody who's really a fast learner and somebody who can multitask and keep up with all of the volume coming in. So somebody who can really keep themselves organized. If you're looking for a full-time data type job though, Vanderbilt University Medical Center, they have 2,600 reviews with an overall rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote data specialist for their transplant center. This means that you're going to be responsible for reviewing transplant patients' medical records, entering data into the National Transplant Registry, trying to get them kind of like added to the registry, set up for the registry. So you're going to coordinate and assist in data collection activities involved in basically retrieving, processing, and submission of data for these transplant patients. You're going to make sure that all the data processing activities get completed in a timely manner and there's accurate transmission of data to the transplant registry, coordinating documentation of all the data entry procedures so that you make sure that the data collection is consistent across the board, across all patients. So you're really verifying data quality, coordinating any changes or corrections in the data, and performing like data analysis, running and generating reports. This is a very important data entry job because the data that you have and get entered into the system might get a patient on the actual transplant registry, which means could be life or death for that patient. Now, no college degree is needed, just somebody who has a high school diploma or GED, and they're looking for somebody who has 2 years of relevant or related type of work experience. Other than that, they kind of need somebody who is a problem solver, somebody who can be very organized, somebody who can listen carefully, understand directions, and somebody who can kind of absorb, learn new technology quickly, multitask, navigate around multiple computer systems. Sadly, this one did not list pay. That will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. If you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. You can always feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed anything that I shared, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button. Sharing is always caring, so please share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.